What is up, guys? It's your boy Morgan B coming at you with a great video today. Today's video is going to be a bit more long because there's just so much to cover. Just real quick, I just want to explain how I spent roughly about $1,000 today, right? And companies I bought, companies I also sold, and it's just going to be a great video today. All right, so hopping in here, we are down for the day $156, just a little over 3% here. Looking at the week, we are down 3%, 180. Looking at the past month, we are down over 3.50%, 182. Past 3 months, we are down 0.48%, $23. Same for, hold on, is this moving? Yes, it is. Same for the year, and then for all, we are down at 0.50%. Now, real quick, all right. I sold three companies that pretty much had a both positive and negative, I guess you can say, effect in my portfolio. First being Boeing. Now, if you guys haven't checked out my video yesterday, please go check that out. It's what I talk about how the CEO pretty much just said that he doesn't expect Boeing to have a recovery that other people may be expecting by the end of the year, and that it may be even harder to hit what they had originally had before price wise within 2 to 3 years. So I ended up selling all three shares to the $8 loss. I'm actually glad that I sold off because it is still going down way more than what I sold it for. So I will be keeping a close eye on it just in case any news comes out about it, but as for now, my interest in it just isn't there at the moment. Second one I sold was Pfizer, PFE. They were a healthcare, I guess you can say, sector. They dropped some news saying that they were going to start vaccinations around September time, which is actually allergy season. So people may not know if it's the flu or the Rona that they may have. So I sold all 5 shares. I got a $1.80 dividend from them, and I also got a $4 profit when I sold. Nothing crazy, I've been looking to sell for a while. I still see them as a long-term company. It's just at this time, I kind of just want to stray away from that. Third one that I sold today was BKE. BKE is a company that pretty much provides apparel, footwear, and accessories through retail stores. Now, the only reason why I sold that is because most retail stores are either closing, relocating, or just not doing good overall. And although the company was doing good in my portfolio, I just saw too much risk involved, especially since they haven't been updating their ex-dividend dates. There's usually supposed to be one every April, I believe, from what I've seen in the charts, of course. And there was nothing about it from that month or even in this month of May. No updates on the dividend, so I just took out just to be safe with a $9 profit. So I also had 30 shares into BKE, 5 into Pfizer, and then again 3 into Boeing. Now overall, that was about $900, close to $1,000 pretty much, and I just pretty much reinvested all that money into different stocks that I have in my portfolio, as well as buying a new one. So I bought some shares of AT&T. I got 8 shares today, bringing my average cost down quite a lot. Even though they're down $52, I still have a lot of hope for this company. I don't see them, ever going out of business or bankrupt. They just have so many good things up their sleeve, and I honestly can't wait to see what they drop even after this whole situation's over, because I do feel like they're holding back on something pretty positive. So lots of hope with this one. Second to that, I bought 4 shares of O Realty Income. Now, I did say in a few videos back that I have to stop overspending, overloading on finance, only because I want my portfolio to be nice and diversified. I'm not saying finance shouldn't be over out of every single sector, but having 61% of that in my portfolio is kind of a little risky, because if the sector just so happens to fall, again, that's 61% of my account. But yeah, I'm not really stressing it right now because I do consider this a smaller account. Once I hit the 10K mark, I will be trying to look for better ways to diversify it when it comes to every other sector. But for right now, I'm sticking to what I got. I got the plan. I got the strategy. It's all in the brain. All right. But yeah, I bought 4 shares of O today. Not gonna regret it at like not even a bit. Nice monthly paying dividends. I think they actually just dropped some news on when they're gonna give out dividends again. So having the 6 shares right now. Oh wait, this isn't even it. Sorry guys. Having the 14 shares right now is gonna be very nice. So the third company here, Coca-Cola. Right. This is a very nice company. Pretty known brand all over the world. People love it. Um, it's always between Coca-Cola and Pepsi. It's always the fight, right? Uh, but yeah, looking at the portfolio here, it's got some nice steady growth. This is actually what I'm looking for when it comes to most of the stocks that I own. Nice steady growth, even despite this whole dip over here. I do see a lot of potential in this company. Moving on from that, looking at Wells Fargo. I didn't place any whole shares. I just put $200 in um, into this business. I guess you can say this bank. Even though I am down almost, you know, $75, I do think about the long term when I buy this company, or even when I look at it. I know they've been going through a lot since this whole coronavirus situation. A lot of things have been popping up, but I do feel like they're a strong company that I'm personally willing to invest in myself, whether it's win or lose. If it does just so happen to go down too much and I do take out and lose money along the way, I honestly would just I hey, lesson learned. Not much I can say on that. The market doesn't always want to go where you want it to go. It goes where it wants. But with this company here, I do think that they'll have um, some type of support leading down into the future. Moving on to the last one here, SPHD. I've been saying I was gonna buy this more shares for a long time. All right, today I bought 8 shares. Average cost is at 31.22. Honestly, I should have waited a bit longer, but I'm honestly not even stressed about this one either. This one here, SPHD, great paying dividend stock. Um, High dividend, low volume. Where can I possibly go wrong with this one? And I do think I'm pretty sure they pay out monthly dividends of 15 cents. So if you guys want to do the math for that, you guys can go ahead and 20 times 0.15 to get the number. And then a stock that I've just recently bought a few minutes ago before starting this video is Stag. This is another real estate investment trust company with a nice, pretty low dividend yield of 5.60, paying 12 cents a month. I only got 2 shares to see where it goes. If it does drop anymore, I will be buying at least 2 or more shares as it goes down. But I've been watching this one for a while. I've actually seen it. Was it this one? I don't think it was. I thought I've seen it, and it definitely was this one. Yeah. So I'm looking at 3 month here. It dropped down as low as $17 from its past high, which was 33.48. I do see a lot of potential with this company here, and I like to see where it goes in the future. Although it's been having rough times, you really got to think about long term. And that, look at this, more slow, steady growth. I'm all for it. But that'll be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share, and comment for more great content. And I'll see you all later.